Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. If quality is high on your list, this is a car you should look at. It's a 1950 Ford Custom, and it is for sale. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find the pricing, all the specs, the photos, top to bottom. And while you're on our website, you're going to find a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale as well. We have plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. Their job is to make buying your dream car a pleasurable experience. They'll answer any questions, send more pictures, whatever we can do for you. Also, we have financing, we have shipping. So go to volocars.com. Take a second to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. Right now, let's take this one for a spin. This is not black. It's called dark plum. When you see it out in the sun, or hopefully light hits it in this room where you can see a little bit of the plum color. It's really, really a deep, deep color. Speaking of deep, it looks like I can dive right in there. It's like a mirror. This thing is absolutely laser beam straight. The paint is like glass. All the body panels fit really well. It's a rust-free car. When I say it's quality, I know the guy who built it. I know you don't know him, but this guy builds old 50s style custom cars and gas pumps. He's into that sort of thing. And this was his car. Recently just went and had an $1,100 basic tune-up. All the fluids, everything is dialed in. This car is turnkey, ready to go. Normally convertibles, I have the top down. This is a black canvas top with the red piping, glass window. I left it up to show how nice it is. It is a power top. It goes down with no issues. It has a boot that matches. As far as accessories, those are real lake pipes. They're hooked up. You can uncap it and the exhaust will come out the side. Keep it capped, the exhaust will go out the back. It has the original 3-ribbed style fender skirts. Those are radial white wall tires with old flipper style hubcaps. These are real spotlights, not the dummy spotlights. Louvered hood. And I'm noticing how everything fits. The gaps are real nice. Glass is crystal clear. That's a 1954 Pontiac grill. Has the ribbed bumper with the aluminum license plate surround. All the stainless is done, all the chrome is done. The interior is completely redone. Even has pillows for in the back seat that match the dice. Carpet has red sewn edges all around it. And everything's nice. All the chrome inside's redone. Dash is painted beautifully. Again, just a nice, nice car. It's got the Continental kit in back here. Really cool inside the trunk. It's all carpeted and lined even under here with the red piping. It has a complete old Ford tool kit. It's got the spare. It's got some old books that go with it. So that's kind of cool in there. We'll start it up in a minute. They did put in turn signals. Does have a tachometer. Because it's a 3 on the tree, you'll be shifting this one. Got an electric fan up here to keep it cool. The old Flathead motor has dual carbs, Offenhauser heads and intake. A lot of extra chrome in here. So let's start it up. It's got that old classic Flathead hot rod sound. Interior light works. So if you're looking for one of these, this has the typical 1950s style custom features, but again, it's a quality car. We even have pictures on our website of the underneath. You know, the hood has been shaved. There's no emblems or hood ornament on the hood. It's a lot of subtle touches, blue dot tail lights. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com. We actually have a few of these in stock right now for you to pick from, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see these videos as we put them out. Thanks for watching. There's more to come, so stay tuned.